Hello guys, hello besties. Depending on the time you're watching me, I say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Join me as I do my Sunday vlog, as I do the laundry, yeah. So over here, I prepared to do my laundry. Despite knowing my battery was low, but I decided to do some of the vlog. So what I did was I do a bit video and I went to go and charge it for some time. You could see washing, I had to put the phone on charge while I did little video bit by bit. Yeah, I started prepping the laundry process and you can see me washing already. Even over here, I've gone to bring out the phone to video myself a bit because you can see I've already started washing before I went to bring the phone back to video again. So on this day, it was necessary for me to do the laundry. I couldn't do it on Friday nor Saturday, so I did it on Sunday after coming back from church. I realized the weather was gloomy as if it's about to rain, but I didn't take a chance. I just had to do it, and in the middle of it it started raining anyways, but I didn't give up. I started washing in the midst of the rain. Yeah, under the rain I started washing like that. I was just showing you, it looks small, the laundry looks small, it's kind of much for me. So this is how we do our laundry with hands over here. I know a lot of people do it though, but I wash most times with hand, and that's how we do it. We wash and with our hands of washing machine, the African way. But I know with time I'm gonna get my own washing machine, although it's more expensive with washing machine because of the electricity bill, but I have no choice. With time I'm gonna get it by the special grace of God. So enjoy the rest of the vlog, guys. Thanks for watching. Please do it to subscribe to my channel. Just show me some love, subscribe and like, view. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, enjoy the rest of the video. It's not raining. You can see from here it has started raining heavily, and you can see here I'm almost done with the clothes, and this was the last set of me washing. I was so happy because I'm done. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Was the finishing touch of the washing. Bye.